Lithium-air batteries contain a lot of energy for their weight. They are air-breathing. For example, the oxygen from the air reacts with lithium ions in an electrolyte. In this simulation, performed on IBM Blue Gene P supercomputers, IBM scientists are studying the simulations of the interaction of an organic solvent electrolyte, in this example, propylene carbonate, with lithium ions and oxygen near a surface of lithium peroxide, the planar structure near the bottom of the screen. Oxygen, carbon and lithium atoms are shown as bronze, blue and silvery white balls respectively. Stick-like extensions between individual atoms indicate the presence of atomic bonding forces. They may either be permanent or flash into existence as atoms make random encounters. Such simulations have already led to important insights into understanding what is required for working electrolytes of lithium-air batteries.